PIA S5 Agent Mobile Phone Cloud Control function is now online. Click the button above to download directly. Free to use. Simple operation. One computer can manage all mobile devices. You can download the Android version. It can be managed in batches and can also support the use of simulators, which is so convenient. How to use mobile device group control function. There are Android download links and Windows download links above. Tip the mobile device and computer login. Accounts must be the same account. First, log into your account on your computer. Second, open the client on the computer and click on the mobile phone cloud control. You will see a list of your mobile devices. Select System Settings. You can choose the target country, region and click Search. Select the proxy IP to use and click Save. Click the Connect button and the proxy device is automatically configured. Use EIPINFODIO to check the current IP address of your mobile phone. Operation completed.